Hi, Kevin Belzer here with the Splash Program, and today we are in Wittman at 28710 North 251st Avenue. All right, before heading inside, let's go over the location on this one. Do you like country living with mountain views? Then this is the property for you. At 1.104 acres, it is more than large enough to accommodate any of your toys that you're looking to have. Like on this property, they have RVs as well as a pool. There's some storage sheds. You can even build separate detached buildings. You can have wildlife. How about livestock is what I meant. Next door, they have horses and cattle. So you can have something like that as well. All right, let's go over the specs on this home. So it is 2,233 square feet. It's a single story with a 3-car garage. Now the garage had built-in cabinets in it. And you'll see that the cool thing that they did right now is they've got it set up as a hybrid with a gym setup as well as spots for a couple cars and built-in cabinets. But you can do whatever you want out there. Also, there's a soft water loop. So if you'd like to put a water softener into the property, you can do that as well. Now this is a split floor plan. So you have 3 bedrooms on one side of the house with a guest bathroom. And then on the other side of the house, you have the master bedroom. And in the middle, you have a great room concept, open floor plan. So you've got the beautiful large island with the chef kitchen overlooking the great room, a breakfast nook area, as well as a dining area. And yes, there is a walk-in pantry too. Down the hallway, there's a laundry room that's off by itself. And next to the laundry room, there's a desk setup. Now they're currently using it for a coffee bar. And that was a kind of a cool feature that I hadn't seen somebody use it for. Kind of digging it. Okay, before checking out the pool and spa area, you know there's going to be a cannonball involved, but before we get to that, let's talk about the fact that this home has a block fence going all the way around the property. So a lot of them that you'll see out here, they either have no fence at all or they don't include the whole yard. This fence alone to put in now is somewhere between $80,000 and $100,000 to build this fence. So big savings for the next person coming in. Also, you do have the pool. You do have the spa, you have a turf area. They've got it set up on the left side of the home as a dog run, and on the right side, you got the RV gate access. So again, you can park all your toys back here. Now let's go take a look at the pool and the spa. All right, after a long day at work, what do you want to do? You want to dip in the pool? It doesn't matter if it's 50 degrees out and the pool's probably 40. Got to cool off some way. You know, Splash Program style, we're going to cannonball into this one. Woo. Oh my gosh. That was lovely. Or maybe you just want to hop into the hot tub. Woo. Oh, this is a little bit more my speed. Went from probably 40 degrees to 105. I'll take that. Hey, if you would like to schedule a showing on this property, call my cell phone, 602-763-8106, or go to my website, kevinbelzer.com. Until next time, man, I'm just gonna chill out here for a little while. Bye.